for a next college.
Yeah.
So I think everybody is understood this process, no, guys? Anyone have doubt? Because before I start my things, I just want to know. Anyway, I will be explaining all, like what are the national law institutes cutoff, what are the things are there. Okay, last year, because we don't have this year, so we'll have all predictions based on last year, but based on ranking or ratings. So because of that only we'll come to know. And even there is a lot of people have perception ki, only 4 or 5 only, what we should do after 4 or 5 colleges. So let's see, we'll find out actually detail ki how the placements are happening, whether it is better to go, because there are some students who are, sometimes they are in average bracket. So for them it's difficult. And again, preparing is a challenge because next year it's a problem for a lot of people. So let's see, we'll discuss today. Let everybody join so that we can. Anyway, few people, they already informed me they could not join. Some are out, some are other place. In fact, I talked with Harshit also morning, so he was telling. Hi, Dikshita. Nikhil, Surbhi is joining?
Surabhi, so basically 3 of them, Surabhi, Lochan and Harshit have gone to Christ to get their marks card.
Oh.
So
okay.
yeah, Surabhi told she might join. I'll just ask.
Okay, because she requested, in fact, yesterday, and then I thought that's what I thought. Like otherwise, I was planning to do one day after actually. But then I thought okay, some people are filling today preference form and all, so we should try.
I'll just ask her, sir.
Yeah, even Lochan, if they are together. Yeah. Many people are not joined actually. In fact, now we are calling a lot of people to know their score because people are like, little reluctant to tell all this score. Dikshita, you have any concern, beta? Hello?
Yeah, sir. My only concern is the ranking of the universities.
Okay, ranking of the universities. Now, okay, I will be sharing you today.
Yeah, so
sharing and
the top
discussing.
3 are determined, but after that it gets pretty confusing. So lots of people say different things about the rankings of the university. So I just wanted to clarify that.
Right. In fact, guys, for all of you, just want to know before I start session, what you want exactly from me. Like right now, Dikshita told me like this. So anyone have any extra doubts or any help?
One concern what I had is basically choosing. After the top 3 or top 5, it gets confusing. Like how Dikshita said, how exactly to choose the university, and what is the chance that we'll get in all that. So like how exactly this first list, second list works.
Right.
And whether it's good to keep any private university as a backup and stuff like that.
Right. So shall we start? I think because I have given a time, I know there are people, but whoever is there, we'll see. Actually, anyway, I have this session with multiple batches. So there are people are there, so they might join with other time. Okay, no problem. Okay, so before we'll start, let me start the presentation directly. Okay, 1 minute. Let me share something for you. Share. Where is the share? One minute, guys. Actually, it is showing some. Okay, guys. So, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, like today's basically session is not just guys to tell you like, it's like just want to tell you, basically it's a doubt solving session with you all, and we'll work on your, what are your doubts, or at this particular time, what are your requirements. Okay, so accordingly we'll go for it. So let's start. Okay, guys. Yeah. So first of all, congratulations to all of you who got like expected marks. I know some of the people who did not get as per the expectation, but this year overall CLAT score for everybody is down. Like what we come to know, around above 90 to 110, in that range only, hardly few number of people are there. Okay, so it is around 200, 300 people are there within 110. Okay, the highest topper is 127, and then after that 120 is their second, and after that most of the people are in 100 rank, 100 guys. But in that, whatever you achieved, based on that, I can say ki now, see, again and again preparing. I know there are some flaws with the exam, flaws how they conduct, a lot of problems are there, but we can't go against the system. Any people are trying, but nothing gonna work out. So finally we are a student. So whatever is there with that score, we should plan it, guys. So those who got at least some expected college and they are happy with whatever the score is there, for all of them, congratulations, guys. Okay, so hearty congratulations. Now let's talk about the colleges, because this is the time, like very important part, okay, that people are very much confused, like, which college they should choose. So like first of all, like there are perceptions are there, because a lot of people, they consider only 2 or 3 colleges are good in National Law University, like, list of National Law University. But I want to tell you guys, ki first of all, the national, like how IIT concept come up. IIT concept come up because they try to maintain that, that kind of level. And that's how I know there are few IITs which are not giving that much placement, but they try to match up with the standard. And same thing happened with the National Law University, guys. So when first National Law University was there, that was of course in Bangalore. But after that, suddenly after 10 years, when 1986, first National Law University started in Bangalore. Then after that, guys, 1996 only, then Hyderabad started. And later on, 2, 3 or 4, 5 National Law Universities started. But last couple of 4, 5 years, if you check it out, almost around 10, more than 10 to 12 National Law Universities they have started. So we can't say any National Law University is a bad or good. One thing I want to tell you very clearly, guys. Okay, of course, based on their track record, track history, salaries, we can definitely say that few National Law Universities are very good. But especially the National Law Universities which are come up right now, we cannot exactly ignore them, or we cannot say that they are bad, because they are also National Law University. In fact, recently I visited, last year, I was visited with my wife to Nagpur National Law University. Nagpur is very new. So one of her HOD, when she was in National Law University Hyderabad, that time one of her senior HOD was there. So that teacher, they shifted to Nagpur. And he was also telling between all the NLUs, they generally shift the teachers. Sometimes when your new National Law Universities come, so they will handle those completely National Law University responsibility. So one place HOD can sometime become the chancellor or vice chancellor for another place. So they try to maintain that quality, same thing. Okay, so that way, teaching wise, quality wise, they generally all the National Law Institutes are good only. That's what I want to tell you very, very clearly. Now let's think about the placement wise. So first of all, of course, the Bangalore National Law Institute, as we know, like how this is the last year cutoff, guys. This is the salary. This is the average salary. So average salary means it maximum goes to even 25-30 lakh also, guys. I know that. Average means it is the middle of that. And this can generally, this will give you a fair idea, because we cannot go with the highest package. Highest package means some people will get it, some people might not get it. Hardly 1%, 2% of the college they generally get it. So if you check it out, I think you can see, guys, on your screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody able to read that?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So guys, so that what we say accordingly, guys, if you check it out, the placement wise, it is happening. Bangalore, of course, no doubt. Then second is Delhi, but Delhi is not a part of this league. So anyway, leave it. Then second is Hyderabad, and Hyderabad, in fact, last 2 years before, Hyderabad National Law University, the cutoff was in fact higher. So the building wise, infrastructure wise, even some of the faculties are also awesome. So first 1 and 2, you can say that they both are good. There is no doubt at all. Okay, absolutely. And then let's consider the third ranking college, which will come as a Kolkata. Okay, and some of the newspaper they told ki even a Bhopal is a fourth rank, or some people they inform because it will varies. See, ranking 4 and 5 or ranking 3 and 4, which are like very close to each other. Sometime in a particular year, based on their track record, placement, teacher, how many research paper published, how many national law university got like students got internationally selected. So based on various criteria, there are some rating agencies are there, some newspaper agencies are there. So those people generally give a rating there. But what I'm trying to tell you, even National University Bhopal or Jodhpur, suppose you're thinking, so based on your preference level, you can think about it. Even Bhopal or Jodhpur, they are more or less same. Less than later on, there is one more criteria, one more next college is there, that is a Raipur. So Raipur and Gandhinagar, again, these are like both are equal level colleges. Okay, so these are like, don't consider some colleges it is showing 15 lakh, 16 lakh. It is based on that particular year, beta, how many students get selected, how many companies are there. But roughly you can say the first 7 to 8 national universities, if you consider, their average salary is around 12 lakh. I'm telling you honestly, whatever the ratings they have given in front of you, these are some data which I have taken from some of the news agencies. Okay, but roughly I want to tell you the average salaries comes around 10 to 12 lakhs. And that is really good because even IIM or Indian Institute of Management, rest of the IITs, they have that much of starting salary in your life. So this is not bad. So I can suggest the first 8 to 9 national universities, either you go as per whatever rating I have showed in front of you, or else even 1 or 2, like suppose you have to overlap or swap between them, like Bhopal to Jodhpur or Raipur with Gandhinagar, something like that, depend on your area comfortability. Some people don't want to go to Gujarat, like some people has that area, this kind of things will be there. So that little bit you can think about it, guys. But wherever guys you are going, the important part is this first 8 national universities. Even there is, I will tell you second bracket. So these 8 national universities are mostly on an average, they are at equal level. Okay, I know there are some are very, very good, even like National University Bangalore and Hyderabad, they have sometime why they are sometimes their ratings is much higher because they have tie-ups with the top world 26 universities, 20 universities. So the international exposure is more. Sometimes the faculties which will come from Oxford, Kellogg, London School of Economics, so those faculties will be more exposure you will get. Okay, so those things will be there. Or you want to go attend some international moot court competition, some of the international competitions are there. So those exposures generally first to national universities will get more. Even there is a scholarship facilities there, which is not there in other, suppose you want to go for LLM program. But the placement wise, salary wise, even other foreign faculties also, they have also few college collaborations. So if you go to 3rd rank, 4th rank, 5th rank colleges, or even till 8th rank colleges, you all have a similar exposure between 3 to 8th rank college. Understood, guys? Dikshita? Nikhil?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So guys, you understood. So basically, you think in that manner. So if you are in a good bracket, actually, we'll see the mark score on rating score also. I will tell you later on. Okay. But right now, if you are thinking in that direction, so think in this direction, guys, you try to put it this way. So try to have the ratings wise your preference list. Now, one more very important part, few students, they ask me one question. Say, suppose you got around 70, 75 marks in that range. And you feel, national university, my rating is this much. So based on that, I cannot go to first 2 or 3 national university. Why can't I avoid and I should not put national law university, first 3 national law university in my preference list? Some of the people, they might think. But I suggest, according to me, according to my recommendation, guys, I would like to suggest you to please fill from National Law University Bangalore onwards, every national law university. See, don't worry. Or every means at least 15 national university, whichever you want. Suppose later on other national university you don't want, so don't do it. But initially, whichever is above you, please try to put them in a preference list. Why? Because suppose you are so lucky, it happened. I have seen one girl was there 3 years before, she got selected in National Law Institute Kolkata in a 3rd round. Okay, no, sorry, in a first round. Later on, second round or third round also she could not shift, anything was happen, and third round she ended up with again Kolkata. So after that there was a fourth round was there. Sometime it is college level they conduct a round. So that time they found out that National Law University Bangalore has a 1 or 2 seats get vacant. She come to know, she applied that, and then she got National Law University Bangalore also. So even the every round wise, guys, it will always change. First of all, generally as per my knowledge or whatever my 6-7 years of exposure, I can tell you, suppose you got selected to any Jodhpur or Raipur, so don't feel, first of all, these are also good college. But suppose from that, if you are selected and above that, suppose you put this college in a first rank position or preferred list. So there is no option, you can go upgrade. But if you put it at 5th place, so obviously there is an option in case there is a small, very less minute possibilities are there, that in case, suppose there is a Kolkata, there is and your especially a woman seat is there, or lady seats is there, you belongs to some category is there, something like that. Okay, so because of some reason, even an open category also, suppose you belongs to that, and in that also, suppose there is a seats are vacant, you may get a chance to go to even Kolkata also. So I would like to recommend you, all of you guys, if you want to cut down your list, please cut down from the lower side. Don't cut down from the top end side. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So please make sure, guys, you feel in that manner. Of course, you expect like whatever you want, you do like that only, no problem. If you feel you will get admission to Bhopal, no problem, accept that, no issues. I'm not saying you to see the false dream, but at the same time, I just want to tell you guys, please make sure you have a preferred list above your expectation also. So use this list. If you want, I can share you individually also later on, or this PPT I can share you. Then there is a second bracket of colleges are there, guys. So just want to talk about that. Okay. So this is second bracket, like after 8 or 9 rank, what are the colleges which can be a good option if you feel that you cannot achieve next year, you don't want to prepare next year. So in that case, there are some options are there. Patna here it is showing as per the rating wise, but I just recommend the Odisha as per my student preferences. My students are there, old students. So if you want to, in this after 8 or 9, you want to put preference, you can note it down also. You can think about Cuttack, Odisha. Cuttack, Odisha has a decent placement, and see number of students also got selected. See here you don't have to see that, guys, only average salary. See, suppose there are only 5 companies are coming in your college, and they are getting selected only 20 students or 30 students, and there are total 100 students are there. That means it is not at all good. Why? Because the chances of probability, if you say the probability is less for you, but suppose the average is less also, like how the Cuttack has even 12 lakh, but there 52 students are getting selected, guys. So that means the average percentage of selection is much higher. The chances for selection is much higher for you guys. So I would recommend you think about Cuttack. Okay, then there is one more option I can suggest you. Then if you wish, you can think about Patna or Assam, actually, guys. Okay, but apart from that, after Cuttack, even some people might think, I am suggesting one more idea. This Mumbai, Nagpur, Aurangabad, there are down some of the colleges are there, guys. So I found out this Mumbai college, especially I am recommending those students, okay, who feel that it is not possible in first 8 or 9 rank colleges. So for them, I am recommending after 8th or 9th rank, you please put Mumbai. Reason is Mumbai is a industrial capital. There are even government law college, Sidnam law college, like many law colleges are there, which are generally a normal Mumbai university. They are under normal Mumbai university, but still their placements are very, very good, because the reason is they are at corporate city and industrial city. And when industrial city is there, most of the corporate office, big strategic departments, corporate heads, they are sitting there. So they are very lazy people generally. Guys, they don't want to travel across the India, and they don't want to conduct the interviews. Sometimes they definitely go. Many people they go. They have team, but they prefer to go to the same city. So it always happen. Even how the IIT Mumbai also developed very quickly. IIT Mumbai is much new actually compared to the IIT Delhi and Kharagpur. But it evolved very fast. Same way, even my students are there in Mumbai. They are saying, "Ki, you know, this will definitely grow up very fast." Now only they are getting a very good exposure, and eventually this is also a national law university, guys. Right? Any doubt so far? Beta, any doubt?
So, sir, when we are filling the preference list now,
Sorry.
when we are filling the preference list,
Okay.
until what? Do we need to fill all 22 or do we need to just fill where we are interested to go, like around 10 or
That's
12?
what I was telling you. Ki, see, suppose you feel ki you decide yourself what is your criteria, because everyone has to decide. Now that is, see, we are always telling some ideal situation for you, beta. So you have to decide ki no, yaar, I don't want to try with this other national line city, newly started national line city. Like example, I want to tell you one bad experience with Tiruchirappalli. Tiruchirappalli is there, na? Tamil Nadu National Line City law. So one of my student is there, Yogesh. He joined there. It's a 7 years old college. Now he is telling me, sir, there is not at all placement. Teaching wise is good, but 6-7 years are over, but not at all. Obviously, it will take time. Obviously, it will start later on. It will start, but I am saying right now he is saying this is the problem. So, so some people might think, no, yaar, let me try first 10 only. I don't want to go after that. So if you have that kind of perspective, so then from starting you can go till 10 or 12 only. Don't go more than that. But if you feel, no, I'm ready to go with any national university and my bracket is also coming in that range and I'm accepting that, I'm ready for that. So then of course you can fill till 22 also.
So, for each like rank bracket, what is the expected thing? Can you
Cut off, no? Cut off or rank.
Yeah. For each rank bracket, what is the possibility of getting into which?
Right.
Yeah.
I will tell you. Now I'm going further. That thing only.
Okay.
But
Okay,
you are okay with this now? Colleges.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Okay. So we'll try. So before that, I just want to tell you the number of seats also, because guys, see, your marks are not important. I'm telling you directly. In these competitive exams, your ranks are important, and ranks means the number one rank means what? The person who got highest mark. So obviously he will go to most preferred college or the best college which we have seen recently. So when they see the best, but it is not compulsory, guys. Like example, I want to say about my wife. My wife, she got 7th merit actually in CLAT, but that time her father decided to go her for Hyderabad. Okay, because they thought it's close to her place. So there are sometimes even there is a 1 or 2 colleges or the average level college, they are in same bracket. So for them, sometimes parents, sometimes their family will influence them, and sometimes Delhi people, they cannot come to South or Bangalore. Some people think about they cannot go to North side. So this kind of perception are also there. 2-3 years before, one girl was there in my institute. She was very poor family girl. So she got selected in Kolkata, but her mother is washing utensils and all. So she hide her literally all the documents because she don't want her daughter to take admission. And you know where she took admission? Now she is in St. Joseph, Bangalore. So such problems are there actually sometime. So, but we should know. So based on your ranking, first people think about, guys, your ratings or seat cutoffs actually. So we should know what are the ratings. So here total seats in Bangalore, as you know, I think I don't want to talk about this more, but this way like that, if you see on an average, roughly around 100 to 120 seats are there in most of the colleges. Of course, there are general seats and then some are reserved for the category people. Okay. So, yeah. So let's talk about now cutoff. You are saying this is the most favorite topic for everybody because everybody is curious to know this. Yeah. So guys, this is the thing. Now I think everybody can see this. Why I put second round? I just want to tell you all, because the first round, the opening rank is showing, no, guys, in second round, the opening rank, whatever is showing, that is actually first round cutoff. That's why it started with the opening rank of second. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is the cutoff, guys. In front of you, see the general category. Let's talk about first general category, where you are seeing the National Law University Bangalore. Okay, Dikshita, people, please see this. Okay, guys. So where you can see, everybody can able to read this, or it is too much clumsy for all of you?
We can read, sir.
You can read. Okay. Yes, beta. So what I'm trying to tell you, see the opening, I directly put here second round. Why I put second round? Because in first round, beta, now when the list will come, that was the ideal situation. That they consider everybody who has applied for a CLAT and who prepared to go to National Law Institute Bangalore. Okay, so everybody they will consider that is the first round. It will always happen. But and don't consider this 56 or 81 rank, because this year it will vary better. Till last year, the general category seats were available in National Law Institute Bangalore were only 56 or 55. That's why the rank was showing like that. But this year, beta, National Law University has increased the seats. So obviously it will go 95 or 100. Okay. So I can say you in first round after only we'll come to know the realistic picture. Why? First round, of course, you will get it some colleges. Okay. Those who are like within till 75 or something like that, or especially rather than marks, I want to say those who are in a 1000 rank actually. So they obviously get some colleges. Okay. 1000, 2000 rank also. Okay. So total is 1700, 800, whatever the numbers are there. There everybody will, most of the people will, chances are there. As per the rank, they will get it something. But actually real picture will come to know in a second round. Beta. Why? Because see, now you see where I have mentioned ki National Law University Bangalore is there. All of you please see that. So where this open in a second round 56 place and then they close at 57. Means what? Only one seat was vacant for Bangalore. If you check it out, Hyderabad, we found out 7 seats they have filled. 21 it started. Okay, and actually 20, sorry, not 21, sorry, not 7, 8 seats they have filled. So that means in National Law Institute Bangalore in first round, whoever was there, 8 people, they have not taken admission. So those many number of people, they are jumping up. So like that Bhopal, you might have seen somewhere 10, 20, 30, like that number of seats are going up better. And a lot of people have sometimes a bad perception also about, or some people are very much passionate for first and second rank colleges only. So that's why, you know, they don't think about Jodhpur, Raipur, Kolkata. But I want to say you, just now you saw the salary packages also. These are all good colleges, guys. So please don't ignore. So if you are coming in this bracket or your first round, suppose you are not getting selected, think about it. Whatever the cutoff was there, this year will come. Based on that, next 10, at least 10 to 20 seats can be possibilities. And but National Lines in Bangalore and Hyderabad, it won't go more than 10. Bangalore, it is less because Bangalore, they hardly 1 or 2 seats will not be there. And that too, the people who got selected for Delhi or in case in a Jindal, who are like having a paid money and all those kind of things are there. So those people, they might think about those options. Otherwise, we have most of the students in National Institute Bangalore and Hyderabad, they generally have a second round, chances that, you know, ranking will goes up for next 8 to 10 ranks only, guys. Understood, or I am going somewhere?
So
Please respond, guys.
we're understanding.
Understanding. Dikshita?
Yeah, I understood, sir.
Understood, beta? Okay, okay. Yeah. So fine, beta. So like that it is there. So check it out. See that if you want this scorecard or these things should be shared, I'm ready to share with you all. You can check it out, okay, and plan accordingly. But first round, even you are getting a very demotivating, or suppose you are getting at somewhere Shimla or Guwahati or Aurangabad also, don't think bad about it. Please try for a second round. And this year, though, I believe there is a lot of fluctuations will definitely happen. This is my prediction. Why? Because this year, this was a really frustrating year for everybody, teachers, students, parents. So there are many students I observed in our institutes also from different branches. We found out that students, they have already taken admission to some of the colleges. They are not bothered also. Unless 1 or 2 colleges, suppose they are getting, because their parents are directly telling them, Hyderabad or Bangalore. If not, don't think about any other colleges. So I'm damn sure that, you know, in Bhopal, Kolkata, Jodhpur, you will get a lot of shuffling. And chances are there that, you know, almost till double ranking ratings you can get it. Let's see in round 3 what happened last year. So this is there, guys. So those who are focusing on Jodhpur, Raipur, Gandhinagar, so they have got like this. But this year, guys, little bit I told you seats have increased. So, 70, 80 or those kind of things will be, chances are there they might get. So you can't predict exactly based on last year. There are many circumstances are different. This year, the number of seats are more. Even some of the colleges are there. Some of the students, as I told you, they have already taken admission. So based on that, you can consider it. Understood all?
Yes, sir.
So you can consider at least 70 to 80 ranks or 100 ranks can be also shift for that particular college, guys. And after third round, okay, guys, I just want to tell you, fine. So after third round, one very important part I want to reveal you all. Please check it out. Please check it out whether any particular national law institute is conducting fourth round or not. You have to call this time. You have to put efforts because they are conducting officially 3 round. But after that also, guys, these are whatever the numbers they are showing. Fourth round they are not showing. They are not. It is not officially announced. But the fourth round will always happen based on that particular college. So what happened generally? Then individually students has to apply to those particular college. So what you have to do after third round, suppose still you get a very bad college and you still want upgrade. So above your college, whichever the colleges are there, at least 3-4 colleges or 5-6 colleges, please do call individually their administration department and ask them, are they asking for any other, number of seats? So sometimes if you are so lucky, I found out people might get 2-3 college jump in a fourth round also. So fourth round is not official, but it is totally based on that university or that college vice chancellor. Okay, understood, guys? Any problem so far?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So guys, I know there is some people, it is little demotivating. Okay, that they tried all the way throughout the year, but something happened. There are many problem has happened, even issues with NLU, consortium also. People mark for you questions. I saw because of that also some people lost their marks. So some problems are there, guys. I know that. So with this, people generally think about 2 type of goal. Either whatever the college is there, they adjust and they think about future. So what is the future? Some people think about, guys, ki okay, chalo, I am getting Jodhpur, Kolkata, or not Kolkata, but Jodhpur, Raipur I am getting. But let me try for a placement also. This is a decent college. I don't want to prepare again. But yes, what I will do when I will go to National Law Institute, let me try for LLM program. Let me go abroad. Let me think about Harvard College. Let me go for post-graduation. Okay, or my goal is to join judiciary. So sometimes, even I have National Law Institute Bangalore student beta. Right now, one Surya boy is there. Or no, he's from National Institute Kolkata. But one Bangalore National Institute students also there, Himanshu. So these people they are 4th year. And every year I get around 2 to 3 students from National Institute Bangalore, Hyderabad and Kolkata also. These people, they come for judiciary exam coaching to our institute. So I found out even people who are, their goal initially was there to get a job. That's why people prefer to go to National Law Institute. But apart from that also, later on, people might change. People think about government jobs. People think about some different opportunities. So the first part you can think about, guys, so plan your life accordingly. And if you feel you all have a problem while planning, please feel free to call me, guys. Don't feel anything bad ki how sir will feel. I know there are some people get very bad score, but it's okay. This is a competitive exam. This is not the end in your life, guys. There are so many people like Harish Salve, Ram Jethmalani. Any top lawyers, you check it out in India, they are not at all passed out from any national law institutes. Still, they are very, very successful lawyers. They, for 2 minutes of meeting also, they charge 25 to 30 lakhs. And Harish Salve, Ram Jethmalani, or whatever the many famous law firms in India. So those lawyers, they actually recruit these national law institute people at the salary of 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh. Like Amar Chand Mangaldas, Luthra and Luthra, okay, Harish Salve and firm. So like that, various law firms are there. They recruit these people who himself or they themselves are not at all passed out from a top national law university, guys. So finally, I always believe कि yes, NLU is a brand, you should go for it. But if people who are not getting that brand, keep and make yourself as a brand, guys. Because if you can make it, whichever place you are, I have seen even a students who are a National Line City Bangalore students, but few students, one or two or two, three people, those who got failed. That's why they are not getting jobs. So it is not like that you got selected means you will definitely get jobs. No. Even there is no 100% placement is not a concept, guys, basically. Basically, it's a 80-90% placement will happen in any top college, anywhere you go. Okay, so please make sure, guys, plan your life like that. And now just want to tell you how UBX will help, because we are not only CLAT coaching institute, guys. I always help my students, my old students, those who are 5 years old, 6 years old. So they are still in my connect, still they are still in my contact, and we are keep helping them, because we are not unlike other law CLAT coaching institute. We are actually a dedicated law coaching institute. So I just want to tell you for future thing, okay, what you can do. Suppose when you are going to the National Law University and you feel any law related subjects you feel tough, any non-legal subjects you need help. So we are giving online and physical coaching. One more thing, for all of you, you have some assignments. Some of the teachers even will know what are the teachers who are strict, who are very bad in National Law University, and they make you fail. So we'll help you to complete their projects also. I just want to tell you guys this a note for all for a future. And even will help you to connect with our alumni which are there in respective colleges. So you just let me know finally which college you are getting selected. Yesterday Surbhi was asking, so I was planning to give her some colleges, alumni. So like that, please, if you have some college, once you got selected, let me know. I will help you. What are our alumni are there? They will help you to settle in that colleges, in that new place, because it's a new life, new journey for you guys. First time now you are going for a graduation. You will have love affairs, you will have fun, you will have a fresher party, everything will be there, guys, in a college. And this college life is very important for everybody, because here this is the place where you from a student you will become a matured man and you will come out. So this is a very important part of your life. So please have fun also, and UDX will help you for all the possible ways, guys. So one more thing is there, I have an NGO, the NGO called USA NGO. So every year, even last year also, from National University Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, many of my students and other students also, they approach me for our NGO to help for poor families. We work here in Ijipura slum. Okay, Ijipura slum, during this lockdown period, we help for laborers. We work for entrepreneurship program for poor families. So we work for that. So if you want to do internship, because when you go, guys, for a National Law University, there one very important part, you have to complete some certain amount of or number of internship, guys. So after first year, first semester, second semester, or after first year, people generally prefer to go for NGO internship. Then people think about newspaper internship. So I think few people don't know about us, but we have started one newspaper also. It's an online newspaper right now. It's a Times of Republic. So, as per with our new app, actually, we have started that. And if you want, actually, people want sometime internship with that, we have some of the people are there who are working with us. They are from mass communication and they are from news media area. So if you want to, because for lawyers, even that can be a very prominent area, guys. Like how that Arnab Goswami kind of people are there who are from law background, but they are now part of BBC, CNN news channel. Okay, so for a lot of lawyers, this is also a very lucrative area. So if you want internship in that, we'll help you. Okay, if you want some of the law firms, so Karnataka's Advocate General of Karnataka, then we know like Bangalore, Mumbai Advocate General, means entire Maharashtra. Then Supreme Court, few lawyers we know. So if you need some of the lawyers, their internship, because college will not help you much. You have to apply. One thing I want to tell you, college will not help you all for this internship. So when you go and join to any college, okay, but we'll be helping you guys. And of course, anytime if you need any help, you want to become faculty with UDX, anytime you can come back, you can teach, like how Shreyas, Lalcha, they were our students some point of time. Now they are actually, they're teaching in our institute. So if you want, that is extra pocket money for all of you. And it's a fun also. to interact with 10 to 12 standard students like you. And one very important part, guys, not only this, we are giving a judicial exam coaching, LSAT coaching if you want to go for further study, then LLM programs. So these are the things we generally as a USA group, because some of the people you don't know. So that just want to tell you ki anytime you want to come and work with us, participate with some of the areas, you want judicial coaching, you want some help, any point of time, please approach us. We have this UDX loyalty card concept is also there. You can inquire about that. What is that? So that next 7 to 8 years of your life will be supporting you till you become very successful lawyer in your life. So before this, any question?
Yeah, so apart from the top 10 or top 8 or whatever NLUs, what can be the next option for any private university across India? Which
That's
is a
what
good
the
option?
private university. Then rather than going private universities, first, in fact, beta, I recommend them first 14 colleges also. 14
Okay.
colleges where you can add like Cuttack, Patna, right? You saw some of the placements are there.
Correct.
Yeah, so they are not bad. Only
Correct.
even see IIT or NLU, like how you say, no, like that. That
Correct.
also they are also NLU. Only thing is those NLUs are pretty new.
Yeah.
See, Bangalore, that's how people say, no, Rome has not built in one day, right? So same way, National Law University Bangalore took so much time, 20, 30 years of time to establish. So if some college is there, consider next 5 years, you are giving time to the college to establish. That's why even you saw Patna, when I show you the ranking, right? Patna also got around 14 lakhs salary packages. So I recommend ki rather than private colleges, because I'm telling you the fact, guys, if anyone is happy with the, this Christ University, I just want to directly tell you guys, ki Christ is not at all good. 30-40% placement will happen. Private colleges do lot of propaganda and lot of false marketing. You all know that. Okay, I don't know whether you know or not, but I'm just telling you, they all do a lot of false marketing because they want every year to increase their fee. People should run behind them. So that's why if they are getting suppose 7 lakh, they try to project it 9 lakh, 10 lakh, or one person is getting highest package, they will project it. No, our students got 20 lakh package, but that is only getting for 1 or 2 students. So compared to that, National Law Institute first 13, 14 are also better. That is what as per my recommendation. Because but you can check it out. Okay, at least somewhere the placement started, na, those colleges you prefer more. Or else the Mumbai, like a Mumbai National Law Institute, can be a best way to approach even. Because Mumbai National Law Institute definitely grow faster than other national law institutes. Considering the track record of other law colleges which are available in that city also, beta.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine, Dikshita, you are okay? Any
Yeah,
doubt?
sir, all my doubts were cleared.
Pakka, clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine, guys. So anytime, any help you need, please feel free to ask. We are there to help you for all possible. Not just now, I told you, no, we are giving till even we have smart entrepreneurship program. So for that, even National Law Institute, some of the people are coming because I am an MBA graduate. So I mix with the law and MBA. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, one future is really nice for you, bright for you. If people are going to law, one more thing I want to tell you, nowadays this is a hot cake in the market. What is that? The very important part that law, if you do, suppose you do average college, for chances, okay, because of some problem happen, and you took it from average college, now you are taking admission. After that, even from good college also, if you try law and then MBA, this is a deadly combination. Nowadays, most of the top consultancies, Ernst & Young, PwC, all these kinds of Google, IBM, they are almost giving 40-50 lakhs packages for the people who are doing law and then MBA, because this is a deadly combination. Earlier, when I was doing my engineering, that time the combination was engineering and MBA used to be one of the most preferred combination was there. But nowadays, the world is changing fast. It's a global village. One manager has to handle across the world, different laws, different countries, different international rules. So to manage that, to manage the negotiation, to manage the deals with them, So everywhere, acquisition merger manager, international export business managers. So a lot of new areas are there for you people. Once you become, lawyer from a national university, you get selected for contract manager, legal advisor, business advisor, legal consultant, acquisition merger manager. So those kind of posts will get. And apart from that also, when you do the MBA, you will have a wonderful career. So you people can think about that direction also, guys. Okay. Any doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt. So, for document submission, they have asked about to submit the conduct certificate or the character certificate.
Okay.
So, for that, do you need to get a separate character certificate?
Do you need to get separate character certificate? Generally, character certificate, what they recommend, like from the college?
Yeah, from the college or school.
Yeah, college or school. So yeah, that is there. There are some school or colleges, right? They give a separately character certificate when you leave. They give most of the colleges. If they don't,
Okay.
then you can also ask them.
Okay.
Yeah, better. So they provide. Yeah. Okay. But all the documents right now, immediately you don't have to give them. So get ready. I just want to tell you, even some point of time it happened, guys, ki this 1 or 2 document actually can cancel your admissions. I have seen. I told that one girl case, her mother has like she purposefully, kept her documents separately so that, she could not get admission to National University Kolkata. So it happens. Any doubt? Guys, any doubt? Otherwise, I want to close.
No, sir, no doubt.
Yeah, no doubt.
No doubt. So all
No
of you,
doubt, sir.
all the best. Individually, please contact if you feel, and please share your scorecard for all of you. I just want to request to all, because we will check it out. Still, there are possibilities, especially for girls. There is a one quota is there. Then there are categories, chances are there. Then there is a domicile are there. So we have some ways to calculate, because since we are handling from long time, this was the general presentation. But if you want some help, especially for your particular thing, please share your scorecard to me or Sanjit sir, whoever is there actually, and you please share with us on WhatsApp. We'll try to help it out, guys. Don't lose the hope. There are chances this year. Overall cutoff is very bad. People are there. You might have seen ki 1 marks even people are this year. Especially, I just want to really 50-60 marks. Students also, they are getting even 6,000 to 7,000 rating, right? Because the reason is we have observed earlier it had never happened till last year, because this year overall cutoff is very, very down. So don't feel like ashamed of asking any question. Please feel free to ask. Take advantage of every part of counseling round. Okay, don't do back out so easily. Don't worry, they will return your money if you have any issues actually, guys. Okay, so all the best. Bye, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. All the best, guys. Yeah.